Gardening should be relaxing, peaceful, and enjoyable. But for many adults over 60, back pain can make gardening feel much harder than it used to. A few minutes of planting flowers or pulling weeds can sometimes lead to hours of discomfort afterward. The good news is that gardening doesn't have to hurt. With a few simple adjustments, you can continue enjoying your garden while putting much less strain on your back. Today, we're going to look at some practical tips that can help make gardening more comfortable after 60. Let's begin with one of the most effective changes you can make: raised garden beds. Raised beds are popular for a reason. Instead of bending all the way down to ground level, raised beds bring your plants closer to you. This reduces the amount of bending, kneeling, and crouching required throughout the day. Many gardeners find that raised beds make planting, watering, and harvesting much easier. They can also improve drainage and help keep weeds under control. Even a small raised bed can make a noticeable difference in comfort. The next tip is to use long-handled gardening tools. Many traditional gardening tools require constant bending and reaching. Over time, that repeated movement can place stress on your lower back. Long-handled weeders, cultivators, and rakes allow you to work while standing more upright. This simple change can significantly reduce strain during longer gardening sessions. Sometimes the right tool can do more for your back than hours of stretching. Another important tip is to garden in shorter sessions. Many people become so focused on their garden that they work for an hour or more without taking a break. Unfortunately, that's when stiffness and soreness often begin. Instead of trying to do everything at once, consider gardening for 15 or 20 minutes at a time. Then stand up, walk around, stretch gently, and drink some water. You may be surprised by how much better your body feels at the end of the day. Gardening is not a race. A little progress each day adds up over time. The fourth tip is to use a garden stool or seat. Kneeling directly on the ground can be uncomfortable for both the knees and the back. A lightweight gardening stool can provide support while keeping you closer to your work area. Some gardening stools even include handles that make it easier to stand up. For many older gardeners, a simple seat can transform gardening from a painful task into a much more enjoyable experience. Next, let's talk about lifting safely. Gardeners often move bags of soil, pots, watering cans, and other heavy items. One common mistake is bending at the waist while lifting. Instead, try bending your knees and keeping the item close to your body. Let your legs do most of the work. This technique helps reduce pressure on the lower back and lowers the risk of injury. Remember, protecting your back is far more important than saving a few seconds. Another excellent option is container gardening. Containers allow you to position plants at a comfortable height. You can place pots on tables, benches, stands, or raised platforms. This reduces the need to bend repeatedly throughout the day. Container gardening is also ideal for patios, balconies, and smaller outdoor spaces. Many vegetables, herbs, and flowers grow beautifully in containers. Sometimes the easiest garden to maintain is also the most comfortable. One final tip is to stretch before and after gardening. Just a few minutes of gentle movement can help prepare your muscles and joints for activity. Simple stretches for the shoulders, hips, legs, and lower back may help reduce stiffness and improve flexibility. Think of stretching as part of your gardening routine, just like watering your plants. A little preparation can go a long way. The truth is that gardening after 60 isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. You don't need to spend hours bent over in the garden to enjoy beautiful flowers, fresh vegetables, and peaceful outdoor moments. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Raised beds, long-handled tools, shorter gardening sessions, comfortable seating, safe lifting habits, container gardening, and regular stretching. Together, these simple habits can help you continue enjoying gardening for many years to come. Thank you for spending time in the garden with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Gardening After 60 for more simple gardening tips, relaxing ideas, and inspiration for older adults. And before you go, let me know in the comments, what gardening task causes you the most back pain? I'd love to hear from you. See you again soon.